Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Vivek and today we are going to start a series on Python. So this series is designed for beginners as well as professionals. There is no prerequisite for this course. So if you are from a non-programming background and want to learn Python, you can start it today. Now without much delay, let's quickly jump into the course. So today we will discuss on three mostly asked questions in Python. What is Python? Why is it so popular and why should I learn it? Before going deep inside the course, let me give you a brief history about it. So how Python came into picture? Python was initially developed by a Dutch programmer, Guido van Rossum, in 1989. Now you must be thinking why he named it as Python. So it was named as Python after a famous TV show, Monty Python's Flying Circus. That's pretty much the history of Python. Let's get back to the question, what is Python? So Python is a open source, high level, interpreted, general purpose programming language. It is most widely used programming language in 2020 and it is the most growing programming language as well compared to any other programming language. So what makes it powerful? So Python is a general purpose programming language which is designed to be simple to read and write. As Python is a high level programming language with a very simple and easy syntax, so this helps programmer to write complex program in an easy and simple way. Python is highly readable and efficient as well, which means you can work, develop and build Python applications in any environment without any performance loss. Python also has an extensive libraries for data science and machine learning. Just for example, NumPy, SciPy, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, TensorFlow. These are the libraries which is quite popular among data scientists. These libraries are frequently used for data visualization and data analysis in machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms. As Python is an open source programming language, it has a large and active support community as well. So if you are a Python programmer and if you are stuck somewhere, no worries, there will be definitely someone to help you out in the community. And these are the reasons which makes Python a very powerful programming language. Python is very simple to use as well. It has a very simple and easy syntax. The code lengths in Python are quite generally short compared to any other programming language. Let's take an example of printing a hello world in Python. So if you write a hello world program in Java, you have to write 3 to 4 lines of code to print a hello world, but the same can be achieved in Python in a single line, and this is the reason Python is so powerful. Python is not only used in fields such as software development, web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, but it is also used in other fields such as data analytics, gaming, financial accounting, automation and many more. Python is also used by large companies such as Google, Facebook, Uber, Netflix, and even NASA also uses Python for their backend application development and some complex scientific calculation as well. So there is a huge career opportunity in Python in the field of machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, Python full stack development and much more. You can draw a handsome amount of salary if you learn Python in coming future. This was a brief introduction of Python from me. If you have any question on this, please feel free to ask those questions in the comment section below. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.